महागणाधिपतये नमः. Good evening. Good evening to all. Good evening. Lisa, Ben and Asher, they are coming to, they already paid. Tell to your mother. They already paid tour money. Purva Seni, you did not register. You did not take membership. Why? Many I can see. Okay, then pay with your mother phone. Right, today we are going to learn arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression, total 5 components will be there. One is A, D, AN, N, Sn. So all the problems basing on only these 5 components. Okay. A means first term. A means first term of that progression. Okay. And D is common difference. We can find out the common difference by A2 minus A1. We can find out the common difference with the formula A2 minus A1. Common difference is nothing but sum of the difference of any 2 consecutive terms. It is the difference of any 2 consecutive terms. Okay na? Yeah, I can see Mokshagnya, Nihas, Srinivas, Jitasri, even Vaishnavi, you did not take membership. I don't know what is the reason. Then AN is nth term of AP, which we can find out A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is known as, I know, Vaishnavi, I know it. Then asks Rajesh sir to do it, and you pay that money to Rajesh sir. Okay. After this class, you have to do it. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. And N is number of terms. number of terms. N is number of terms. Next, Sn is sum of first n terms of AP. Sn is nothing but sum of first n terms of AP. Okay, na? So Sn means A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus so on plus An. This is what we call Sn. Okay, na? And this is our An. And this is our first term. And D is A2 minus A1. Okay, na? So these are the important points that you have to keep in mind while doing arithmetic progression about these 5 components. One is A, the first term of AP. The second one is D, common difference of AP, means the difference between any 2 consecutive terms. Difference between any 2 consecutive terms. Okay. And third one is An, means the last term of AP. An is the last term of AP. And N is, Ayesha, you also didn't pay that. You also didn't take that membership. Many are there, na? N is number of terms and Sn is sum of first n terms of AP. Sum of first n terms of AP. Okay? Now, we'll see some problems and try to understand all these 5 components. Okay? First question. We'll start with a simple problem. Nth term of AP is given as 5n minus 2. Nth term of AP given as 5n, అలాగా సూపర్ చాట్లన్నా చేసేయాల్సింది కదా. Either super Nancy, who is Nancy Angel? Okay, come back to this. I don't want to waste the time. See, nth term of AP is given as 5n minus 2. Okay, and what we have to do, we need to find out the first term, common difference, and 19th term. We need to find out the first term, common difference, and 19th term. A1 we have to find out, common difference, A1, common difference, and 19th term. These 3 we have to find out. Okay, na? How to do this? These are simple problem. How to do this? Given An is equal to 5n minus 2, then A1 is equal to, that means we need to insert 1 in the place of n. So A1 is equal to 5 into 1 minus 2, which is 5 minus 2, 3. First term 3. If we replace 1 in the place of n, we'll get first term. And if we replace 2 in the place of n, we'll get second term. That is 5 into 2 minus 2, 10 minus 2, 8. Second term is 8. Now, we can find out the common difference since we know A1 and A2. We can find out the common difference since we know A1 and A2. So 8 minus 3, which is 5. Common difference is 5. A1 is 3. So out of 3, we got 2. Out of 3, we got 2. Okay, now A19. A19. Can anyone tell how to write A19? A19 can we express in terms of A and D? We can express, I told you in the class, in an arithmetic progression, any term that we can express it as, in terms of A and D. Every term in arithmetic progression can be expressed in terms of A and D. So A19 is nothing but A plus 18D. A is 3, 18 into D 5. 3 plus 90, 93. So 19th term is 93. Okay, na? Next one. The sum of 4th and 8th terms of AP is 24. A4 plus A8 is 24. And the sum of 6th and 10th terms is 44. And we need to find out first 3 terms of AP. We need to find out the first 3 terms of AP. What is given? What is given, Ra? Sum of 4th term and 8th term of AP 24. And 6th term, 10th term, their sum is given 44. We need to find out first 3 terms. That means A1, A2, A3 we have to find out. So in order to find out A1, A2, A3, what is needed? In order to find out A1, A2, A3, what is required? Anyone? D, A and D, very good. A and D we need. A and D. So, A plus 3D plus A plus 7D is 24. 2A plus 10D, 24. Okay? And here, A plus 5D, A plus 9D. A plus 5D plus A plus 9D, 44. So 2A plus 14D is 44. Now we got pair of linear equations in 2 variable. We got pair of linear equations in 2 variable. Okay. If we solve them, we'll get A and D values fast. Do it, find out A and D. Find out A and D, children. D5 2a plus 44d 2a plus 14d is 44, 2a plus 10d is 24. Subtraction, 2a cancel, 4d is equal to 20, d5. We got d5. Then what is a? If d is 5, what is a? Two a plus 10 into 5 is equal to 24. 2a is equal to 24 minus 50. 10 5s are 15. 2a is equal to 26. Negative 26. A negative 13. A negative 13. Who said negative 15? Negative 13 kada? Negative 13 negative 15 మరి అందరూ నెగిటివ్ 15 రాసేశారు. Everyone wrote negative 15. Now, negative 13, negative 8, negative 3. Negative 13, negative 8, negative 3 are the first three terms. Because we know A and we know D. Next question. 5, 9, 13, 17. 5, 9, 13, 17, so on. Which term of AP is 81? This is the question. Which term of AP 5, 9, 13, 17, so on is 81? How to do this? How to do this? Yes. Let us assume AN is equal to 81. AN means A plus N minus 1 into D. So 5 plus N minus 1 into D is 4. Now find out N value. Find out N. What is N? N20, eh? Sure? N minus 1 times of 4 is equal to 81 minus 5. 76, eh? Then N minus 1 is equal to 76 by 4. 4 ones are 4. Yeah, N is equal to 20. N is 20. Good. So, 81 is the 20th term of this AP. 81 is the 20th term of the AP given. Now, find the middle term of 213, 205, 197, so on, 37. Find the middle term of this AP, children. How to do it? Any idea? Find the middle term of this AP. First, we need to find out N. Aniket, even you did not take the membership. Why? We need. So we need to find. We need to find N. Is that right? So how to find out N? Any idea? How to find N? What? Yes. How to find N? Ra? A37 hai. No. AN37. Yes. AN is equal to 37. Good. Find out N. Take AN is equal to 37. We know AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Na? First find out N. Find out N. (213) plus N minus 1 into D. D is 8. Negative 8. Find out N. N minus 1 times of negative 8 is equal to 37 minus 213. 37 minus 213, how much? 6, 176. It is 176. So N minus 1 times of negative 8 is equal to negative 176. Then N minus 1 is equal to negative 176 by negative 8. 8 2s are 16, 2s are 22. N minus 1 is 22, N is 23. So, in that AP, total 23 terms are there. Total 23 terms. This is first term, this is second term, this is third term, so on, this is 23rd term. Okay, na? Now, what will be the middle term? Tell me, what will be the middle term? What will be the middle term? No. Add 1 to it. 23 plus 1 by 2. 23 is odd number, na? 23 odd number. 23 is odd number. So middle term will be 23 plus 1, 24 by 2, and 2, 12. 12th term is the middle term. So find out the 12th term, children. Find out the 12th term. Middle term is equal to 23 plus 1 by 2, 12. So A12 is equal to A plus 11D. A12 is equal to A plus 11D. We know A 213 and D is negative 8. A is 213 and D is negative 8. So middle term is 125. Is it right? Next model. Which term of AP is first negative term? Which term of AP? 24, 21, 24, 21, 18, 15, so on, is first negative term? Is first negative term. Which term of AP 24, 21, 18, 15 is first negative term? Let it be AN. Let it be AN is less than 0. Negative term means less than 0, na? Negative term means it is less than, AN is less than 0. Okay. That means A plus N minus 1 into D is less than 0. Now substitute the values. 24 into N minus 1 into D minus 3 less than 0. 24 minus 3N plus 3 less than 0. 27 minus 3N is less than 0. Then 27 is less than 3N. By 3J 9. So 9 less than N, that is N greater than 9. 9 less than N, which means N greater than 9 means 10. 10th term is first negative term. Is that understood? 10th term is first negative term. Okay na? Today we have seen very important models, very good important models for 2-3 marks. 2 marks, 3 marks questions. One more important model, today's last question. Is 51 is a term of, is 51 a term of 5, 8, 11, 14? Is 51 a term of 5, 8, 11, 14 so on? Term of AP 5, 8, 11, 14. So how to do this? How to do this, children? Let AN is equal to 51. Let AN is equal to 51. Then A plus N minus 1 into D is 51. A 5, D is 3. So N minus 1 is equal to 46 by 3. 46 by 3 is how much? Insert the values A and D. Insert the values A and D. At the end we got N minus 1 is equal to 46 by 3. 46 by 3 is not an integer. Is that right? 46 by 3 we will get in the decimals. So N is 15.33, let it be 15.33. So N can't be in decimals. It cannot be in decimals. Is that right? Because N means number of times, number of terms. So how number of terms will be in the decimals? So 51 is not a term of given AP. 51 is not a term of given AP. Okay na? Okay children, that's all for today. But you have to prepare NCERT thoroughly. Those who want to score more marks, means above 75, above 70. So such students need to prepare NCERT first, NCERT. All the problems in exercises as well as examples. Okay. And after that RS Agarwal. And if you seriously follow this classes, online classes, once again go through the all videos that we have done, real numbers, polynomials, pair of linear equations, quadratic equations. We have seen all these, na? So once again see all those, and those models you can prepare. It is nice. Okay. So that's all for today. Again we'll meet tomorrow. Bye bye. Dhanyavad. Mahaganathipataye.